Damn, that shit. Oh, it don't sound right. It don't sound like that. That's the time. That shit. She laughed at your ass. She didn't even want to give you a fucking rating.
She didn't want to fuck with a nigga, but it's alright. We gonna be famous soon. But she gonna be on my
Stay down till it come up, face ass.
Oh God, we in the middle of Buckaroo. We out of our jurisdiction right now.
It's your hood. What you mean?
Oh yeah, this my hood.
It's your hood.
I forgot. We doing a takeover. This my hood. Then we walk up to them and be like, this my hood.
Hey, stop throwing merchandise at me.
Look at him string my dick, bro. These niggas
Come on, let's play football, bro. Come on, brother. Downstairs. Go. Oh, terrible center.
Hey, you're fucking ass.
I'm
You fucking butt. So we about to be there.
This nigga said, oh damn.
We about to be in North Carolina about an hour and a half. We been pushing this shit. I got a cat.
That's what I like to hear.
Hell yeah. Parking next to the other cat. Oh, they're not chilling in a way. Woo! Y'all see me in the mansion out here. This shit look good. We got Geo So Famous down there. Boy, this shit look good as hell, boy. This house big as shit.
Ooh, 2 cats back to back.
Oh, what y'all know about that?
Damn.
Oh,
The lineup is just crazy.
it's different. We come different. That shit look good. Damn, so dumb ass.
Fuck, bro. This big ass thing in the way, bro. What the fuck? Hey, I said on the channel, I should come Hellcat on some pride shit, bro.
Nigga say you wanna come Hellcat.
Hey, chill.
Hell nah.
Hell nah.
It's like, nah, them shit's nice.
My bed without my wheels on. Gotta have my wheels on the bed.
I'm going to take you to wheels.
They trying to lock in these races, man. What they talking about?
Damn, niggas don't lock in the wheels. It sound like tricky right now.
Bro, you don't want to race.
Camaro don't want to lock in the race. I gotta keep Bro, you're way lighter. I'm about to come up here. You're way lighter. Start turbo car. Bands or not, bro? You just said it. Is you right or wrong? Yep, you just said it. 40 to 130. Bro, no. Come on, man. I want to see some action. How you want to race? Fucking action. Fuck the talking, man. Start turbo car.
Hey, this shit funny as fuck.
Wait, hold on, bro.
He said he don't want to race us.
He's not even the owner. He's not even
Trying to race
Who's not the owner? You the owner of that cat? You crazy as fuck. I'll pull out my title right now, nigga. No. Oh, I'm about to say.
Come on, Garrett. I want to see somebody race.
How's that make sense? Nigga, you dick riding the cat. It's not even yours. Hey, you want to do a 60 with that cat? You want to race, right or wrong? We got you a race. Now you want to race.
Hey, who is going to race? Who's going to race? Hey, who is going to
Anything y'all got.
And it's a 40. It's a 40. You're trying to give me the Effie. It's a 40. Listen. That's an M54. That would have cooked everything. I put 2 bands on 4.
This nigga
literally big?
I Now you want to get y'all. Bro, who said I wanted to race the cat for 2 minutes? We got it on the little camera.
Bro, you said you walked up and was like, I got 2 cats. Where to go?
God damn, bro. I never said I got 2 cats. I'm going to be doing that.
Oh. Look at, oh, shit. Oh, these motherfuckers look crispy. Oh, shit. Man, look at that nigga shine. Oh, that's my friend. That's my friend. Hey, motherfucker. He said throw that. Oh God! You sexy fuck. Fuck all that. Hey, fuck all the Maros. I want the tracks, fuck the Maros.
Whoa,
I want the tracks. Hey, fuck the Maros. I want the track. I want the track. I want the track. I don't give a fuck about Maro. Give me the track. Hey, that track. That bitch is hard. Hey, huh? Oh no, I fuck with the MT. I fuck with the M3 heavy for sure. That shit tough. Hey, don't put yourself on, nigga. See if you act bougie. Nah, bro. Oh, shit. Woo! She's not gonna let him through. Hey, whoa, back up. Boom, nigga.
Lo que pasa es que mucha fuerza para... No.
that, man. I'm getting the engine work done. This is my baby. Man, look at that tread. You see that tread on here? Shit, tread perfect. No sliding, no none. Tread on there, perfect. Oh, yeah, you go. Yeah. I was doing shit with this car.
You don't do nothing with the car. You don't drive it fast. Like, you just,
I don't drive it fast.
Man, what? Just driving regular. Like,
Hell, I don't drive regular, nigga.
bro, you still got this shit right here. Look.
Huh?
You still got these on.
These were actually like new tires. I had just recently got them. What's that he doing?
These are the same tires that you blew the engine with?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They
some mud.
305, 30, 20s. Alright. These
real 5, man. Where you get these from?
I got them from eBay. I got them, they're both two brand new for like what, $240? That shit. I can't tell my number. You put on the shorties. Fuck, I need some long too. Them the headers?
Sorry?
Them the headers?
Yeah, that's a car from.
Damn, fuck. I need some long tubes, bro.
You knew they were shorties on here the whole time anyway.
Yeah, but I just want some long tubes, bro. I just want some long tubes, bro.
They put on the shorties.
But he already got the motherfucking shit. Go ahead, cut them cats off right there, man. Nigga, damn.
He got a blow torch?
I don't think he knows how to do that shit. I already asked him. He was like, he don't got no welder. So, but that shit's gonna get cut off. Huh?
Shit like Camaro's low key do shit like
Oh, look at this shit.
They just a little thicker.
Shit, I guess you just need the hood down. Shit, hey, I'm gonna be able to go out with it today.
I put it here so because people knows, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't want them to touch anything, but I drove it down the street. I drove 40 miles an hour. The car run good, man.
Huh? Yeah. We got the cold start. Damn, this car. Woo, hey. Hey, you about to get a seat? So you about to get in a passenger seat? You about to test drive right quick. Damn, that's the first time I've been in this bitch. This shit. Oh shit. This bitch feel good. I ain't been in this
got the Camaro back. Y'all see big Scotty over there.
This shit feel good. Look at that. Oh shit. We gonna do some pulls. Let's see what this bitch feel like. Gotta make sure that bitch feels some 40,000.
He about to ball me up. This nigga trying to go around the corner. This nigga tripping. Put my seatbelt on. It's my first time riding with this nigga V8.
Hey, baby, feel good, gang.
That nigga happy got his car back.
bit feel good. We done. Huh?
Put your windshield wipers down, and then maybe use this right here as an option to your thumbnail.
Alright, let me.
Get my car back
Damn.
from the shop, and then having a shop in the
It's
back.
been like shit. Like what, 2 months? Damn. These shits is. Ah. Feel like it done been forever. Oh yeah. Boy, we done did it, man. We done came back from the impossible. It's been damn near 2 months. Shit. It's been a long ass time, bruh. But you know, we have to come back out here and get turned for the one time. Shit, it's not gonna be going to North Carolina, but it will be going to Atlanta for sure.
Are you not gonna break it?
Nah, not to North Carolina. I'm gonna bring it to Atlanta though.
When you gonna bring it though?